What's that?
When the animals, animal fur, just like look like this.
Okay.
Observation.
Okay, good, very good. Looks like animal fur. Perfect.
Yeah. Animals fur.
Okay. Okay, what observations do you see?
I got a small piece of grass in there.
You see? You saw fur? Looks like fur. Okay. What else?
And then a small piece, tiny piece of some dust I found.
Okay.
It's like an egg. No, it's like not like.
Okay. Small claw? Oh, interesting. Okay. Where's the claw?
This one, I think.
Over here.
Oh, you're right.
Over here.
Okay. Yeah. Interesting. Okay. What observations do you guys make?
What is this?
This is hair.
So what is this? This look like a hair.
Okay. All right.
Oh, what?
I'm not telling you what it is. That is you. Okay. Has everybody done their observations? What do you got? What's your observation?
Fur outside.
Looks like fur on the outside? Okay. What's that?
Dog.
What do you think it is?
This is a dog.
Dog?
Yeah, dog.
It better be a baby dog. It does look like dog hair though, doesn't it? Dog fur a bit? Okay. It doesn't have to, it's okay. If it's not all the same, that's fine. Hypothesis should be the same as a group. Prediction, not so much. Okay?
Because I think this is so dead mouse.
Why?
Because
Like, what evidence did you see? Why do you think? Okay, so what are those characteristics?
Maybe.
Fur, okay.
Maybe.
Small claws, okay. That's good to me.
No. Maybe baby birds.
You think baby bird? Well, okay, why? Well, hold on. Well, what evidence did you see that you think it could be a baby bird?
Because I see fish.
Well, but hold on.
I see
You saw claws, but you said you see fur. Did you see feathers?
fur.
Okay, so we saw fur. Maybe there'll be feathers inside. We'll see. But we saw fur for now, right?
But why?
So, right, Qasim, you're right. They have characteristics of a mouse. Right? We don't know why, right? But obviously, we didn't see eyes or ear. We didn't see any of that stuff, right?
Only.
So tomorrow we'll investigate. We'll figure it out. Just the claws. Okay, yeah. And if you saw one claw, you didn't see all claws. You didn't see a hand, right? Yeah, exactly. What is that?
It's the claw of bird, I think.
It's a claw of bird? Okay.
Yeah.
Huh, interesting. What's that? No, you already have a prediction, right? Yeah. Now you're just writing down evidence. So here, the things you find are evidence right here, okay? Remember, we're trying to think about what do we think this thing is. When you gather evidence, it should help you come up with an idea of what you think this thing is you're looking at. What is it?
Mouse.
You think it's a mouse? Why?
That's my hypothesis.
What's that?
My hypothesis.
You think it's a mouse?
His he don't.
Okay.
I think this one is a sparrow.
Okay, why? So why do you think? Okay, first of all, let's start with one after the other.
Because he have a head like this, a sparrow. Yeah? And it's beak also, you see? Beak also, you see? Beak.
I don't know. Why do you think it's a mouse?
Because it has the same character that a mouse has.
Yes.
Okay, right. So you think why? What characteristics do you see?
Fur.
Okay.
And small body.
Look, leg.
Yeah.
See? That's a hip. That's the top of the femur right there. Yeah. It's a ball. The ball goes into the hip, right?
But the mouse have no like this type of fur, man. You see? Mouse have no this type of fur.
Okay.
Oh, maybe.
Yes.
Okay.
They have characteristics, same mouse.
Okay, so here's what we'll do. Keep looking. Keep looking. I like both your so that's fine for your hypothesis. Keep looking until you get everything out of there.
This one is no clone. This one is peak.
Teeth.
Peak. You know peak? This one is peak.
Yeah, I see. You're right. Look, Hazel.
Peak, no?
Teeth. Jaw.
It's teeth.
So now, those are sharp little teeth, right?
Yeah.
Huh. Interesting.
And he has a bone leg also. You can see leg. This one is leg.
Now, what you could do, here's what I would do. Here's something to look at. You guys have the iPads, right?
What's that?
So, Qasim, why don't you look at a mouse skull, see if you can find a mouse skull on the internet, and then why don't you look to see if you can find a sparrow skull on the internet and see which one looks.
Oh yeah.
That'd be a good idea, right? But first, keep getting all the bones. There's lots of bones to get. Okay?
One separate.
Alright, so you guys are coming along. Okay, so what are you thinking?
We found this is bat.
You think it's a bat?
Yeah.
Okay, why do you think it's a bat?
It has
It has a big.
it has claws, it has hair, and it has some. It's shape. Yeah, it's like bat shape,
yeah.
and it has the beak.
Okay, well here's the problem though, right? You're right, I like the hair. That's a characteristic of mammals, right? But bats don't have beaks. That's bird. Now, is it a beak? Is it a beak or is it something else?
This
I think this one is
maybe this teeth.
teeth.
Okay, so if it's teeth then, what kind of animal do you think it could be?
It can be. This one can be mouse.
So you think that one would be a mouse?
Yes, it is.
Okay. Alright, so maybe you could look up a mouse skull on your iPad, go for pictures. You guys have Google Images, right? Take a look and let's look and see if you think it's a mouse skull. Some other people thought or it could be, maybe it is a bat. So maybe you should look at a bat skull.
A bat who has. You said bats do not have.
Beak. They don't have beak, but what if it's not a beak that you're looking at? Right?
This
That may
is-
not be a
this
beak.
is a beak.
Maybe not.
This is not a beak.
Maybe not.
It is teeth, yeah.
I think this is close.
Well, I don't know.
Close.
This is
No.
teeth.
Yeah, see, it's a skull, right? That's a head of something. Alright? See, as the eyes go right here. You see?
Yes.
So it is the head.
What we are talking
What
about
is that, though? Right.
maybe teeth.
Okay, so now try and see if you can find an animal with teeth like that. Go Google Images, look for skeletons. Bat skeletons, mouse skeletons. Okay? What I'm going to do, I'm going to have some wipes, antibacterial wipes, so that you can use the iPad and do your experiment at the same time. We'll wipe down the iPads when we're done. Oh, don't worry about hypothesis yet. No hypothesis. Nope, because here's the thing. You had to make two observations, okay? So you think it's mud? You think this is mud? Okay, so you think it's mud, okay? Now, with your hypothesis, we don't have enough evidence yet. Before we have a prediction, before we make a hypothesis, we should look more, okay? And then make your hypothesis. So, take this apart, take it apart very carefully, all right? Keep taking it apart, keep digging at it, and then what I would like you to do is write down the things you find right here, okay? Don't make your hypothesis yet. Leave that for the end. Okay, well, if it's what you think, is that your prediction? Is it mud or is it a body of something? What do you think, Sue?
Maybe dead body.
Of what?
Bird.
Bird? Okay, so then you would write that down for your prediction. His prediction is that it's mud, and your prediction is that it's a dead body of a bird. Oh, you did? Okay, good. So now, take a look and see if you can gather evidence to see if you can find that it's a bird or something else.
We get all our different answers, same answer.
It can be different answers.
Maybe
The hypothesis should be the same, but the prediction is fine. You can have different predictions.
I don't know. It's dot.
Different prediction, later, same hypothesis. Okay? So you're both thinking different things. You're thinking it's mud. You're thinking
I think it's dot.
You're thinking it's a bird. You guys are thinking it's a dead bird. Go look inside and see if you can find more evidence to see if it's a dead bird. Okay? Yeah, so hypothesis this time is going to be later. Okay? So the hypothesis later will be the same, but you have to go and gather evidence first. So you have to have information to make a hypothesis. Okay, so what are you guys thinking?
I
You think it's a bird?
See feather.
Oh, there is a feather in there. Okay. But what about this? Is that feather? Is this feather? I see the feather that you saw. This is a feather. You're correct. Okay. What about this right here?
This here?
Yeah. Is that feather?
No.
No. What is that?
Fur.
Okay. So you got a feather and you have fur. That's unusual. Oh, so you got the picture of the bird.
See like.
Ah, but is it the same or different?
I think so. Yeah.
Think it's the same?
Someone eat her or she eat something?
So how? So here's the question. Here's the important question. You found feathers. You did a good job of finding that evidence, feathers, but you've also found fur. So how can that work? Okay? Something to think about. Keep thinking. Okay? Okay, so you found fur. You found parts of the spine. Oh, that's good. It's a vertebrae. Okay. We found small, sharp teeth. We found small claws. We found a skeleton. So, now, have you decided what you think it is, though?
I think it's a mouse.
You think it's a mouse? You found, how did you think it, why do you think it's a mouse?
All these characters.
Okay. So all those characteristics led you to believe that it's a mouse. Okay. So let me think here. Small claws, sharp.
You want to picture? I will show you a picture, okay? You see? The picture seems like.
Oh, okay. Gotcha. Now, so right, you see the rodent teeth, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so you saw that. Okay. Now, I'm going to make it a little more difficult for you. Maybe I won't be able to with this one.
But I not found a tail.
No.
You found tail?
No.
I know. That's the problem.
Let's see. Here is one. Okay, grab that.
Grab.
Okay, so, can you give me the bone, the jawbone again?
Yeah.
Okay. So put it right here on the iPad for a second.
This one?
Yeah.
Good?
Yeah. Okay. Now, is there another one there?
Yeah. Yes, here, this one is it.
There's the head.
Here, this one is it.
Okay. Now, do you have another jawbone?
Yeah. I have this one leg. Right?
Well, wait. Look at the jawbone though first.
Here. This one is
Okay.
That's it.
Now.
Give me this.
Okay.
This one.
That's good. Now, here's where my question is.
Yeah. What question?
Look, what is the problem?
This one?
Yeah, look. Oh, that's a good idea. You're making screenshots from it? That's a good idea. That's a good way of zooming in. I never thought of that. That's a very good idea, Pranav. Okay, so try to place them. Tar? Worry about placing the bones that you have right now, okay? Okay. Oh, that's cool. Okay, you guys can help too. Why don't you guys grab some bones too? Oh wow, you guys are doing good. Yeah.
This is a ball.
This one?
Question? Dimendra? Glasses. Even though you're not using it right now.
You can